555 Project, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over the Holosun P.ID weapon light, as you can see here. So this is the $100 version. It goes up to $200, and that top tier version has the light and a green laser. So this is just the light itself. So we're going to go right down the box here and just give you the specs. So 1000 lumens, that's pretty typical with all of the like pistol weapon lights. Advanced culminating system with twin 2000 candela. Just for reference, my Streamlight TLR 1HL that I have on my PSA dagger that has 20,000 candela has a rechargeable 18350 lithium battery. Has a magnetic charging port. We'll get to that in a second. Ambidextrous paddle switch. We'll also get in that in a second. 7075 T6 aluminum housing. So this is a little bit heavier just by itself than the Streamlight TLR 1HL that I have. It is also a little bit bulkier, but it does feel like I could throw this thing off of a mountain and it'll be just fine. So there's that. It is also waterproof, which is also a huge plus. So we're going to get into the magnetic charging port. Not a super big fan of this, but if you see right here on the bottom, you see the two little dots. You take the end of your charger and it will just snap right on. It does fall off super fucking easy, so it's another reason I'm not a super big fan of that. I'd rather just be able to charge the battery if I would or be able to just change the battery if I needed to instead of like having to charge it. Another thing that I am not a super big fan of, so these ambidextrous switches. So as you can see here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this one is so, like on the right hand side, it is so close to my trigger guard that I cannot even push it down. Left side works just fine. So not a super big problem. I guess I could adjust it if I wanted to, but yeah. Inside the box, you're also going to get these little plaques or whatever the fuck you want to call these things. They go in here, and there's a little bar on the bottom of your pistol it'll lock into. You can interchange them depending on what gun you're trying to put it on. Also, it comes with the standard shit, the instructions, and the little fucking tool. I will say this, when you go to take this off and inspect the battery for the first time, we'll go ahead and run through that. Alright, also clear and safe. So as you can see, it does have the battery sleeve. Make sure you leave that in there. There's the battery. When you open it up for the first time, you will also see this little insulation thing. Make sure you take that out. And when you go to put this back on, you are going to have to screw this motherfucker down really tight. We got it. All right. Yeah, so $100, not too bad. There are some certain things that I'm not like a super big fan of, but fuck it, whatever. It's only $100. So yeah, there it is. Holosun P.ID. 555project.com. Check it out.